This is the TT-Y110 2.0 OTR tester. High purity nitrogen is required. Connect the nitrogen gas source using a pressure reducing valve respectively. The outlet end of the pressure reducing valve is connected to a steel pipe, and the steel pipe is connected to the nitrogen inlet on the instrument. There are 3 gas inlets on the back of the instrument, which are nitrogen inlet, oxygen inlet, and compressed air inlet respectively. Please connect the gas pads according to the labels on the back of the instrument. Place the ferrule fittings and their accessories in the order shown in the video. Unscrew the blind plug and connect the steel pipe to the nitrogen inlet and tighten the nut in the shortest possible time. Open the main nitrogen pressure valve. Then open the partial pressure valve and adjust it to 0.2 megapascals. Place the ferrule fittings and their accessories in the same order as just now. Unscrew the blind plug and connect the steel pipe to the oxygen inlet and tighten the nut in the shortest possible time. High purity oxygen is required with an oxygen purity of 99.999% or higher. This is the pressure gauge of the gas source. This is the partial pressure gauge that outputs to the instrument. First, slightly loosen and open the partial pressure valve. Then open the main pressure valve, and then adjust the partial pressure to 0.1 megapascals. Compressed air uses a transparent PU tube with a diameter of G4. Adjust the oil-water separator gauge to 0.3. Finally, connect the power cord. Press the instrument's power on button. Click Login. After the software interface pops up, click Device Setup. Then click PID Settings. Data is displayed, and the instrument is functioning normally. Click Test Page. Cut the sample. Put the cutter upon the sample to be cut. Open the relief valve of the cutter. Rotate the relief valve anti-clockwise for 45 degrees. Take the cutter and close the valve. Take out the cut sample. Open the chamber cover. This aluminum film was applied by us when the goods were shipped. Tear it off. Clean off the sealing grease thoroughly. Then apply the sealing grease. Apply evenly along the O-ring in a clockwise direction. Just a thin layer is sufficient. Keep the interior of the test chamber clean. The 2 orifices of the chamber cover must not be blocked. The test surface faces upward. Gently attach the lower half of the membrane to the sealant-coated area on the lower half of the lower chamber. Place the sample gently and align it properly. Gently slide your finger clockwise along the contact surface between the membrane and the chamber. Simply expel any air bubbles trapped within the contact surface. Close the lid. Click Start Experiment. Then select the type, film. Then complete the other experimental information. Select the test mode, film. Click Confirm. The instrument starts automatic testing. A result box will pop up when the experiment is completed. Click Confirm. This is the report query function. After the experiment is completed, the report will be automatically saved here. It can be queried according to time. You can choose to preview the report. Click Export PDF to export this experimental report. The location of the exported experimental report file. Double-click 𝐂𝐞𝐿, the OPR document, and there is the report document. So this is the testing report.